Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I actually missed y'all. I had no intention of recording a video today, but I was just like, I miss you guys, and I was just like let me give you guys an update because a lot has been going on with my hair since I've used Amla Powder, and I want to get into that. And if you may be wondering, where did she get the beautiful brown top? I got it from Shein. I received my parcel like a week ago, so if you guys want to see what I got from there, comment below. Okay, let me know. Just say we want to see the Shein video, we want to see what you ordered, girl, we want to see, you know, give us the tea basically. We know that we do natural hair on this channel, but like I said, I want to you know, introduce other stuff to the channel. So if you guys want to see a little clothing haul, let me know in the comment section. And then I know I was supposed to measure my hair before releasing the Amla Powder video, but don't worry, the measurements are coming. I kind of changed my mind as I was, you know, making the video public on Tuesday last week, and I was like, I don't know if I want to show you guys that other video where I was measuring my hair, or I want to show you guys the Alma one. And I was like, oh, let me just show you guys the Alma one. And it got a lot of people excited, and I know a few of you guys are going to be joining me on my Ayurvedic journey, so yay, super excited for that. And I am in the other videos going to be explaining what Ayurveda is. I know some of you guys are just like, Tshidi, weren't you always on your like Ayurvedic journey? And I'm just like, not entirely. So we're gonna do like a deep dive in that video, so don't worry about it. For now, I just want to chat to you guys about Alma because we've already built a relationship with Alma in my previous video. We know what it can do, so today we just want to see how my hair has been behaving since then. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. So before I actually get into what's been going on with my hair, I also want to tell you guys that I completely forgot to show you that I have had henna, and and I haven't used it because I was scared to use it. You know, I was just like, I'm not entirely sure how to use it because, you know, in the internet is saying that, you know, if you use henna on your hair, it was gonna dye your hair, and you guys know how much I love my hair. I like it deep dark black, so I was scared, and someone in the comment section reassured me, and she was just like, for her it's not what people are saying, you know. And I was just like, oh, that's great. I'm glad that I'm getting a different, you know, perspective on henna, and it completely changed my mind, not gonna lie. So I think that's why it's so important for you guys to comment. That's because, like, I just don't want to feel like I'm just talking to you guys over the camera and you're not responding. You know, it's supposed to be a conversation because some of you guys actually are joining me on this Ayurvedic journey, so we're gonna have to communicate, girls. That's the only way we're gonna make it through, okay? And so yes, so please comment, you know, let me know what you're thinking, you know. So just to recap, so we're gonna have henna for next year. I'm saying next year because we are giving ourselves 6 months and we are easing ourselves into these products. We don't want to do too much. We have aloe vera powder in here. We have fenugreek powder, we have hibiscus, and last but not least, Miss Alamakai herself. So we started the journey with Alma. The reason why we started the journey with Alma because it's actually the easiest, safest powder. As an Ayurvedic beginner, you should try at first, okay? So Alamakai, we already discussed the benefits, what it is, yada yada. So here's what I can tell you. My hair's been dry. I don't know what I did wrong, okay? So now we're going to actually assess what happened in the previous video, because what happened in the previous video set out the tone for the last 7 days of my hair journey. And let me tell you, I have been struggling with dryness. Okay, so here's the first thing. Remember the Dark and Lovely that I used, and I was telling you guys that it was just not doing its job, and this just has too much water to the point where it's actually still dripping out. So the deep conditioner is not thick enough to hold everything together. Okay, it was not doing its job. I think that's when it went downhill, because you guys will see in the future videos that I did my pre-poos, I did my shampoos, everything was fine until I started deep conditioning with the Dark and Lovely, that banana treatment. Terrible. I don't recommend that one. I recommend the aloe one. You know what if it's the same thing and then they just change the flavors, but it reacted different? What I know is that it reacted completely different to my hair, because I was listening to my hair and I was just like, I think my hair might need another deep conditioner. And then that's when I went ahead and used the Mercia Island from Ode to the Motherland, and my hair felt good. And I went on to moisturize, and I did my normal moisturizing routine. I'll insert a video here. I followed the same steps. The only difference is that I put peppermint oil in my sweet, you guys know I use organic sweet almond oil, and then I added grapeseed oil, and I added about a few drops of peppermint oil and lavender oil. And I think that's why just my hair was like, no. What are these essential oils? She was like, what are you doing? What is this, right? Because I wouldn't say that I didn't change my moisturizing routine. I used the same products, nothing new, nothing different. I used shea butter, I used my leave-in from Aunt Jackie's, and I used my oil. The only difference is that I used 2 oils. So you guys know that I've been using sweet almond oil for the longest of time. I haven't changed it. It's the only oil I've been using. My hair's been loving. You guys have been seeing that my hair's health, shine, darkness has been improving because of the oil. And I am all about using a single ingredient for a long time to see if it actually is beneficial for your hair, instead of using 7 oils and you don't even know which one of them your hair likes or doesn't like. So for me, it's about ease yourself into anything that you want to do. If you want to start your Ayurvedic journey, ease yourself into it. If you want to start your yoga journey, ease yourself into it. Really, anything it is, just ease yourself into it. There's no need for you to rush and try to do everything at once. And I know you can sometimes be overwhelmed and fall under that pressure. Please just don't. Try one ingredient at a time. And I know, the internet is like saturated with, how to make your own hair growth oil, and it's like 5 different oils. I know the temptations. Okay, we rebuke them, and we will try to choose one oil. Do your research, see if your hair needs that type of specific oil, so that the properties that the oil holds are actually being released into your hair, and they are repairing if that's what you are looking for. Okay, so that's what I did, right? So I added grapeseed oil, and I've used grapeseed oil since last year. You guys know I love grapeseed oil. Last year I used grapeseed oil by itself, maybe with a little bit of avocado oil actually, and my hair was okay. I really think my hair was not ready for essential oils. You know why? So first day, right, so after I moisturize, the following day my hair's dry, and I'm just like, what the heck, like dry from roots to ends. Okay, and I'm just like, ma'am, no, what is going on here? So whatever, I've been massaging my scalp the whole week, by the way, with the same oil, and I've just been focusing it on my scalp. So cool, whatever. Obviously now I have to figure out, what did I do wrong? Then I'm like, maybe it could be the deep conditioner from the Dark and Lovely, but I really think that it is my moisturizing routine. There's something that I did wrong in my moisturizing routine. So the first day I moisturized my hair once again, because it's feeling like, it was not nourished whatsoever. I moisturize following the same routine. My hair on Tuesday still wakes up feeling the same. So I'm just like, all right, so we need to minus something, right? So I minus the oil completely, and I just focus it on my scalp. So I take literally guys 2 drops of the oil, and I just massage it to my scalp for about 4 minutes. And immediately after I shower or take a bath, so that's, I would immediately massage my scalp, because my hair is steamed and whatever, the cuticles are open, everything's lacquer. So the Wednesday, I'm like, okay, I'm waking up on the Wednesday, whereas on the Tuesday I minused the oil, right? Now my hair feels like it's somewhat coming back to life. However, my roots where I massage the oil is dry. So I'm just like, okay, cool. So it's Wednesday night. I decide to do nothing. I decide not to moisturize my hair. I decide to be like, you know what, let's just leave it as is and see if my hair the following day maybe just needs a break. Let's give it a day break where I don't put anything on it, I don't massage, I just leave it alone. My hair somewhat felt a little bit softer the following day, but still very dry, right? Now this is the Friday, I'm like, okay, I have to moisturize my hair, I have to figure out what's going on. I decide to use just water on my hair. I just used water on my hair, and that's it. on Saturday my hair felt good. It was just like, oh hi, you know, like it felt rebalanced. Okay, that's the word. It felt somewhat rebalanced again. And then on Saturday evening I had to moisturize because my hair felt dry. My hair strands specifically felt dry, but my roots felt like they were gaining a bit of its like natural sebum, like its natural oil, and kind of kicking itself like back to normal again. And then on Sunday I didn't moisturize. I just massaged my hair with a little bit of the oil again, just to see if it was the oil or it wasn't the oil. Okay, and today my hair feels very crispy. So here's what I can tell you is that my hair at this stage is not ready for oils that have essential oils in them. Maybe if I add essential oils in another phase of my wash day, maybe in my shampoo stage, I could add few drops of whatever essential oils is necessary, like rosemary oil or lavender or peppermint or whatever the case may be. So the purpose of this video is to not basically like bash any natural ingredient or whatever, but it's about understanding if your hair needs that specific ingredient and which parts of your hair needs that specific ingredient. Because it could be that maybe if I just use sweet almond oil with 3 drops of peppermint oil, that's it, that's all my hair can handle. But if maybe I use sweet almond oil with grapeseed oil and then I add the essential oils, my hair is just like, it's a no from me. Or maybe I could focus that oil on my hair strands or on my scalp and to see, you know, what is going on. Because everything else that I'm using, my other products that I'm using to moisturize are a-okay. I know they're not causing me problems. I think it's this new oil that I'm trying to introduce into my hair. And also it could be that my hair is experiencing hair shock maybe, or it's just trying to adjust. And I just want to share this video because some of us might get frustrated in this process, all right? And be aware, okay, that you are introducing something new to your hair and it has to adjust. It has to find time to decide that, do I like this or is it not working for me? But that's okay. That's why we have different ways of using different things. So in this week I'm actually going to be showing you guys, not in this video, sometime I'm going to be showing you guys how to make alma oil. Maybe if I use alma oil, but I don't think the powder itself on my hair strands was a problem. The whole point of this Ayurvedic journey is to show you how you can use one ingredient different ways, because maybe your hair might not like it as a hair mask, but it might like it as an oil. So next time we're going to be using alma. We're going to be doing a hot oil treatment, coconut oil infused with alma powder. That's what we're going to be doing in my next wash day. So I'm pretty excited for that. Also, if my hair at the end of like 1 month and a half, you know, just to see if there's any difference, and if my hair's not happy with alma, we have options. We can try hibiscus and see if my hair will like that, and if my hair doesn't like that, we will move to henna. So we are trying it out, and at the end of this we will maybe start mixing 2 powders together to see if my hair will like it that way. So I'm gonna leave it right here. I think I've done enough chit chatting. We are switching it up. You guys are going to be getting like random drops of videos, so make sure that your notification bells are switched on, especially when, you know, I want to give you guys a hair update, because I did want to do a live and I was just like, not everybody's gonna see that live, so I'd rather drop a video. So thank you guys so much for watching me chit chat about all of these products and my experience, my 1 week with alma, and yeah, so I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.